Hey everyone, Mike here with Atlantic Flagpole. I am the owner and founder of said business, and I'm here today with my lovely wife, Laiala, who's from Brazil. And today we're going to be going in and installing a flagpole, the Phoenix telescoping flagpole in our black bronze edition right here. As you can see, this is the piece de resistance, our #1 seller and known nationwide, even worldwide. So we're just going to show you some of the accessories it comes with today. Here's the ground sleeve. It's ABS plastic ground sleeve, very durable, high quality construction. Here's the SecureSure anti-theft locking device that we include with our kit, which also we have an exclusive anti-theft guarantee up to a $1,100 value. Here's the gold ball ornament that goes on top. The red ground sleeve cap that fits right at the top here, so if you ever take your flagpole out, you want to put that in to protect the inside of your ground sleeve so no debris, dust, grass gets in there or leaves. We have our 4x6 American flag that comes with this particular kit with a 20 and 25 flagpoles. So you get a 3x5 when you get our 15-foot Phoenix flagpole. This is premium nylon with embroidered stars. It is absolutely beautiful. Maybe we'll just pop this bad boy open so you can take a look at it up close and personal. Here you go. Look at that. Look at those stars. That field of stars is gorgeous. I love it. Everyone loves these flags. They rave about it. Check out our reviews online at atlanticflagpole.com. So now we have the installation pieces, or I should say the tools that you'll need for installing. We have our shovel, and we have our level. We have our tape measure, and then we have our post hole digger. This makes life very easy when installing a flagpole. And then over here we have our bucket of water because we will be installing with 240 pounds of Quickcrete and a 20-pound bag of pea gravel. So you want to be able to have something like this wheelbarrow to mix up your concrete in. Mix it with the water. That's all you need. If you use Quickcrete, just add water. Follow the instructions. Easy peasy. All right, so we're going to get started now. That's everything right here. And we'll begin installation. Voila. Laiala will be installing today.
Hello Patriots, Laiala Margonar here, Mike's wife, owner of the Atlantic Flagpole. As you know, it's a family company, and today we will install a flagpole here. The flagpole comes with these instructions, so it's easy for you to set up. The first thing you need to do is find a nice spot and check if your flag will be free of obstacles.
Once you've chosen your location, you're going to mark it, and then you're going to take your shovel and start digging your hole that's 14 inches in diameter by 28 inches deep. Make it nice and round.
Just set that neatly off to the side because we're going to use that later.
Now you're going to take your post hole digger and you're going to finish the hole using that to create a nice even depth.
So this is how we measure with Laiala. She's so small. We know that we're at the right distance down. I'm just kidding. These are going to take measures. But we're there. She's just wanted to step inside and feel the earth in her toes.
Now we're going to check the measurements for the depth and the diameter or width of the hole.
We're good in there. Now let's see the width. Okay. You want to be on the edge like that. Okay. Straight. 14. Ba-boom.
Next, we're going to take the pea gravel or pea rock, depending on what you call it. And you can see Laiala is going to start dumping that in the bottom of the hole. And that's going to be used for drainage
4 to 6
purposes.
inches.
Tell me when. Stop.
You're gonna put in approximately 4 to 6 inches of pea gravel.
Don't burn yourself.
Next, you're gonna place your ground sleeve about an inch into the pea gravel. That will create a barrier so that the concrete can't get underneath and block the drainage. Now we're gonna mix up the concrete. In this
bit all around
instance, we're using Quickcrete, which all it requires is adding some water to it. And just follow the directions of whatever brand you're using. And then mix it up. I wanted to mention real quickly here, I'm resetting the ground sleeve. And as you notice, there is no red cap in there yet. That's the protective barrier. And the reason for that is I wanted to be able to look down inside the center of the tube to see that the seal has been created properly. Lyle then carefully measured to make sure that the ground sleeve was centered.
So Laiala has never worked with a level like this before. So I'm going to explain it to her. So for anybody that's never used a level before, you want to make sure that the bubble is in the center of the two black lines on either side. Now, I picked up this really cool level at my local hardware store, or a big box hardware store, and they're about $5-6. And this is what it looks like right here. It's a pipe level, so it just makes it a lot easier to make sure that you're plumb. So right now, here we are. We are perfect. See? Bubbles.
It's at this point we measured again, once more, and then we started filling around the ground sleeve with concrete. Oh, and Lyle forgot to put the red cap on, so we paused for a moment, put the red cap in, and continued with filling the hole with concrete. Finally, we used a trowel to finish the foundation, to smooth it out, and then let the concrete set for 24 to 48 hours. All right, it was a success. Laiala did a great job with her first install, a very easy install. And Bethany's here now installing our Phoenix telescoping flagpole, and she's raising it up. And that's it. Thank you for watching. And as always, if you have any questions, feel free to contact us at atlanticflagpole.com.